Earlier in the week, my daughter reminded me that it had been a long time since we had green figs and bags. Now, if you're in the Caribbean, St. Lucia in particular, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Green figs and chicken backs. And it is a one-pot meal. And this is what I'm making right now. Yeah, you always want to make sure that you have some oil. Grease your hand and the knife, right? To prevent the sap from sticking to your hand. Okay, so we start by cutting off the two ends of the banana and a slit. This is how we peel our bananas. The banana is ready. Growing up in the Caribbean in St. Lucia, green figs and backs or green figs and chicken backs was a staple, and I'm sure a lot of you all know exactly what I'm talking about. That was so-called poor people food, chicken backs and green fig. But with the simplicity of it, we enjoyed it. And up to now, this meal is still prepared in many homes. This is what sustained a lot of us, and I would not reject it for anything. So coming from a household where there was 10 of us, I have 5 sisters, and well, my mother has 5 girls and 5 boys, so I have 4 sisters and 5 brothers. So it was a lot. So we had to make do with whatever my mother was able to provide for us. And she did her utmost to ensure that we never went without a meal. Okay, so let's build our pot. Let's add a little oil to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so many people, maybe if you were to make this meal, you would have put in the chicken first. But in this case, growing up, we always started with the green fig in the bottom of the pan. And the water would have been in there already, but then I am going to put it in after. And there is the seasoned chicken backs. You see this? See how nicely seasoned this is? We're going to add this on the top. Now I'm going to add just enough water to the sides because I don't want to wash the seasoning. So we're going to cover this and allow it to boil gently. Let everything cook together. The green figs would absorb all the flavor from the chicken as it cooks down. Okay? Halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to be adding those vegetables. I do not want it to overcook, so I'm going to put it towards the end. See this? Oh, this smells so good. Let's start with the carrots. Yep, let it steam so the vegetables will steam on the top. Oh, this will taste so good. Some celery. And allow it to steam. Cover. Let it cook down. And we're all set. This looks so good. So we're going to give this a gentle stir. Oh, it's almost done. This is done. So we're going to turn this off. If you're from the Caribbean, you already know this one. If you're not, now you do. Green figs and bat. Here is a banana. And this is the best part, the bat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more simple home cooking.